was wondering when this would happen again. The joy of living and driving in California. I don't know if you can see it because I don't think I can zoom in much, but I'm behind a garlic truck. Can I tell you what it smells like? I would follow that truck into hell. It smells so good. Welcome to one of many pieces of the art installation of Galleta Meadows. There are all these iron sculptures around here. Oh, there's a giant scorpion back. Well, I think if that lady's Sprinter van that was just here could handle it, the CX-5 can take it on. Oh my god, it is roasting now. Why didn't I do this in the winter? Holy guacamole. Alright, we got a mammoth. We got a couple mammoths. Oh, it's a family. Daddy mammoth, mommy mammoth, and baby mammoth. What do you think, Seven? There's a camel back there. Whew. What I wouldn't give for a camel right now, geez Louise. We're gonna make this quick. Like, they couldn't have put this in a slightly cooler location. Alright, and I guess this is a little tortoise over here. There's supposed to be a dragon, I guess, and I think these are all made of iron. The guy at the motel said that they're essentially made so you can like see them from the air. They're so big that you can see them from a plane. Oh my lord, that is one angry looking turtle. That's a snapping turtle. That's a snapping turtle. Cool. Whoa, can't miss it. Okay. I'm looking on the map like, where's the dragon? Where's the dragon? He's there. But the dragon is here. Sweetheart, I hear you. I hear you. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, let's just park it. Park it! Oh my god, my dashboard's gotta be like 1,000,000,000 degrees. I just want to take a moment and say, good job, Gin-chan! Gin-chan is the little CX-5 that could. I'm very proud of how she's handling the sand in the hills. No 4-wheel drive and only 4 cylinders. Alright, let's go check out the dragon, and then I think we're gonna call it a day. Oh my god, all the dust. Why would you live out here? Oh. We're gonna see the dragon and then we're gonna head for San Diego because it's a little too freaking hot out here. Alright. I swear to god, my camera's gonna melt. At least there's a tiny bit of a breeze. Oh, you have arrived. Can't miss it. Cannot miss it. Wow, that's impressive. Hey, I brought 2 tubes of sunblock. You think my dumbass put it on? Nope. Oh wow, it goes all the way across the road. I don't know how I feel about going all the way over there. Oh, let's go stand in the shade. What do you think, Seven? Should we go stand in the shade for a little bit? Should we go stand in the shade? What do you think? You like the dragon? Is Seven's dragon? Oh man. This is what I do on my days off. What do you do? You've arrived. Thank you. No kidding. Thank you. No kidding. Alright. Let's sit my butt down on a rock under a dragon and take a photo. each, you can see where it was soldered. Each individual scale soldered together to make this ginormous, ridiculous size dragon in the middle of the desert. I love artistic people. What would we do without them? There's some, I don't know if you can see it, there's some, right there, there's some dinosaurs over there. Alright, I think we're gonna call it a day. Maybe see one or two more sculptures, and then we're out of here. San Diego, ho! Oh, I'm trying to handhold this because it's so bumpy. I barely have enough battery for this, and 7 has definitely had enough for the day, I think. But the guy that I just ran into said go back and definitely go see the scorpion if you can, because it's facing off with a cricket, I guess. Well, 7's pretty much on his last leg for this. I think he's just 150% done, so I think he's gonna stay in the car. I'm just gonna go get a picture or two, and we'll leave the AC on for him. And then we're gonna get out of here. Sorry everything is so choppy and bouncy. You know what, Jen? You really, honestly, you could pull closer. I don't know why I parked so far away. I could literally park next to the damn thing. Oh, wow. And there's like iron sculptures of people down there. I'm wondering why those folks aren't moving. Ah, because they're not real. Well done. Well done indeed. This is absolutely badass. All right, we're gonna put that in park. Be right back, 7. Stay here with AC. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is actually really cool. I'm so glad I listened to him and doubled back. All right, so if you want to come see all of these amazing sculptures, you're gonna have to come down to Borrego, gotta roll those R's, Borrego, right? Borrego Springs, and you're gonna get on Borrego Springs Road, and believe me when I say, you cannot miss it. Oh my God, would you look at the detail on this thing? Look at the detail on this. That is not a stinger that I want coming down on me. This is amazing. Come on, cricket, whoop its ass. Wow, look at the little, I don't know what the exact word's for, the little hairs on his legs. Sing for me, you darling little cricket. All right, even my eyeballs are sweating, so I think it's time to return to the air conditioning, find a gas station, get some fuel, and like I've said 3 times now, head for San Diego. Scream for me, Long Beach.